guys, you're watching Cait Straight Up, and I have a super easy and super fun recipe for fall for you today. We are going to take these pumpkin spice rolls from Pillsbury, and we are going to make them even better because we're going to add bacon to them. I know, I'm crazy, but it is freaking delicious. You guys are going to love it. I teased this on my Instagram, and people really, really liked it, so I figured I'd show you how to do it. It's easy, and yeah, all you need is this and some of my snackin' bacon. That recipe's already up. So I'm pretty sure I don't have to tell you what to do with the Pillsbury rolls because the directions are right on the packaging. But you're gonna just crack it open and then lay it out on a sheet pan. It comes with 5 pumpkin rolls per packaging, so you're gonna wanna get more if you need more than that, but one package has 5 in it. And of course, it comes with a delicious frosting. So you are going to preheat your oven to 325, and then if you have not watched my knockoff snackin' bacon video, you are going to head over and watch that because you need that bacon for this recipe, because honestly, regular bacon could work, but the brown sugar pepper bacon that I made on the last video is the perfect bacon for this recipe. And this is the easiest thing ever, guys. All we're gonna do is take that bacon and just crunch it on top of your pumpkin rolls. That is it. Literally, kids can make this. Anybody can make this. If you suck at cooking and baking, you can make this. It's very easy and very delicious and really fun for fall. It's so much flavors. You're gonna love it. But take that bacon and really press it down into the dough there, because you don't want it kind of falling off as it bakes. So in case you did not watch my snackin' bacon video, this is basically bacon on crack. It has brown sugar, pepper, and a maple spice on it. And again, we're pressing it into the top of the pumpkin rolls, and then that's it. I didn't say it was a hard one. I said it was a tasty one, and this one's going to be delicious. So pop it in your oven for 325 degrees, cook for 25 to 27 minutes, and then your bacon pumpkin rolls are done. When they're still warm, you're going to pour the delicious frosting over it and enjoy. So it was an easy one today, guys, but trust me, you're going to love jazzing up those pumpkin rolls with a little bit of that nice, yummy brown sugar pepper bacon. Make sure to subscribe to Cait Straight Up for more recipes like this one. Find me on Instagram, Cait Straight Up Cooking, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.